What if I told you that your next coworker could be an AI, one that never sleeps, never makes a typo, and writes code faster than any human? Elon Musk famously warned, AI is vastly more risky than North Korea. But today, this risk isn't theoretical, it's writing your apps, your websites, and even the software running self-driving cars. From GitHub Copilot completing code at lightning speed, to ChatGPT debugging complex algorithms, artificial intelligence is transforming software development at an unprecedented pace. But does this mean your job as a programmer is about to disappear? Or is AI just another revolutionary tool, like the printing press or the internet, changing the way humans work forever? Today on Click Future, we unpack it all. Stay tuned. Let's dive deeper into the reality of AI-generated code today, starting with some success stories. GitHub Copilot. Developed by OpenAI and Microsoft, Copilot can complete functions instantly. Developers report productivity boosts of over 50%, completing tasks in minutes that used to take hours. Copilot seamlessly generates code snippets in JavaScript, Python, and Java, significantly reducing manual effort. ChatGPT. In one impressive example, ChatGPT was tasked with developing a Python-based financial data analysis tool. The AI created working code in minutes, complete with complex data visualizations, saving hours of human programming. Google DeepMind's AlphaCode. In competitive coding, AlphaCode astonishingly outperformed over half of human coders, ranking in the top 54% at real-world competitions. This kind of performance brings to mind historical AI milestones, reminiscent of IBM's Deep Blue beating chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. Of course, AI isn't flawless. Here are some of AI's failures. Tesla Autopilot code issue. Tesla's AI once misinterpreted road markings due to poorly generalized code, causing dangerous driving decisions, highlighting a critical shortcoming of AI coding in real-world safety contexts. Amazon's recruiting AI. Amazon attempted to automate job applications using AI, but inadvertently created biased algorithms due to flawed training data, a reminder that AI still struggles with ethical nuances. Simple logical mistakes. Sometimes Copilot generates syntactically correct but logically flawed code. A common example is an infinite loop, or code that fails edge case conditions, mistakes a human programmer quickly catches. Clearly, while AI code generation is powerful, it still requires vigilant human oversight. When humans make these mistakes, what happens? If mistakes are part of learning, we must recognize how we react to mistakes. Should AI systems be allowed to make mistakes as long as they learn from them? A big difference between humans and AI is that once learned, AI shouldn't make the same mistake twice. Historically, every technological revolution has displaced certain jobs while creating new opportunities, just like the Industrial Revolution transformed textile manufacturing. Now, the AI revolution is reshaping software careers, jobs at high risk of AI replacement. Junior developers and entry-level coders. Just as automated assembly lines replaced factory labor, AI tools are now efficiently handling straightforward scripting and website construction. Companies might soon require fewer entry-level human coders. Data analysts and SQL specialists. AI models like ChatGPT and Google's Bard instantly generate complex database queries and efficiently analyze massive datasets. Basic web developers. AI-driven website builders like Wix AI and Framer AI autonomously create complete, polished websites, significantly reducing human input. Jobs at moderate risk. AI-assisted but not yet replaced. Software engineers. While repetitive tasks can be automated, intricate software architectures and nuanced problem-solving continue to necessitate human insight. Cybersecurity specialists. AI excels at threat detection, yet it lacks the human intuition needed to proactively counter advanced, unprecedented cyber threats. DevOps and cloud engineers. Automation platforms like Terraform AI simplify infrastructure tasks, but strategic oversight and innovation remain distinctly human skills. Jobs least likely to be automated soon. AI and machine learning engineers. Ironically, AI's creators and maintainers face the least immediate threat. Ethical AI developers and policy experts. The burgeoning power of AI ensures a rising demand for human oversight in regulatory, ethical, and social governance areas. In essence, AI is quickly overtaking mundane, repetitive coding, but human ingenuity and high-level strategic thinking remain irreplaceable assets. Change is inevitable, but adaptation is survival. Just as typists evolved into office administrators with the advent of computers, programmers today must embrace new skills to remain relevant. 3 essential strategies. 1. Master AI-powered coding tools. Rather than fearing AI, embrace it as a powerful assistant. Those proficient in tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT gain immense productivity boosts, much like architects transition smoothly from hand-drawn blueprints to CAD software. 2. Specialize in high-level software architecture and systems thinking. AI can write code but cannot yet architect intricate systems effectively. Gaining deep knowledge of software design patterns, system architecture, and strategic decision-making ensures your expertise remains indispensable. 3. Invest in AI and machine learning fundamentals. Become part of the solution by learning AI itself. Understand Python, TensorFlow, data science, and neural networks. Remember Alan Kay's famous quote, "The best way to predict the future is to invent it." Ultimately, every technological revolution, from the steam engine to the internet, has sparked anxiety about job displacement. Historically, though, these shifts have always created more opportunities than they destroyed, pushing human creativity and productivity forward. As Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella says, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI probably will. AI coding isn't here to take away jobs, it's here to redefine them. Developers who embrace these tools will find themselves at the forefront of technology, tackling bigger, more impactful problems. But those who resist could be left behind, much like typists in the era of computers. So ask yourself this: will you see AI as a threat or as your greatest tool yet? Tell us in the comments. Do you think AI is your next coding assistant or your biggest competitor? And if you're ready to future-proof your skills, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. This has been Click Future, where your future is a click away.